Change is the only constant. For the past number of years, we have witnessed precious items filled with memories being passionately restored. We have been part of new beginnings and exciting transformations. Your endless creativity, your fondness for painting outside the lines, your ability to see treasures where others did not, has inspired us to change. For Cottage Paint, it was time to evolve, to leave the cocoon and take flight. We are more than just a furniture paint. We are a source of inspiration for every creative soul. We offer a moment of unwinding and relaxation. We view ourselves as the most creative paint line. Welcome to a colorful evolution. Welcome to the new Cottage Paint. Inspired by the colors and textures of the great Canadian outdoors at a tranquil summer cottage, everything about our rebranding was envisioned to let your imagination grow and blossom. The butterfly represents your creative freedom, the moment you unwind and enjoy the process without expecting perfection, just authenticity. The texture captures the flora and fauna of the one-of-a-kind cottage life. Every creature, insect and plant that interacts harmoniously to create the symphony of life. The palette. Each color is inspired by a cottage environment, down to its smallest details, like the metallic colors found on wondrous little insects, and the beautiful color tones and textures found on feathers and flowers. The line speaks of evolution, a continuous search for creativity. The texture and patterns are never fully colored. It becomes your canvas, an unlimited source of inspiration. The paint. Cottage Paint is a lifestyle paint, offering 3 options to suit different styles and tastes. Our only constant is change. As we find change in every sunset and season, we believe that one stroke of paint can be the beginning of a transformation or a new story. By your side, we continue to paint our story, transforming and evolving to become your endless source of inspiration. We are dedicated to deliver the best creative paints and tools on the market. What we want is for you to see Cottage Paint as a serene experience that gives you the opportunity to express and reflect your inner self, while enjoying the magic of creating forever evolving beauty. Expression. Enjoy the most versatile paint to express yourself, attaining a flat, chalky, or aged finish. 58 eye-catching colors inspired by nature that will trigger your budding imagination. Achieve unique results by using it on its own or by layering it with other incredible Cottage Paint products. This one-of-a-kind formula is perfect for applying on many different surfaces, such as wood, glass, textiles, and can be used as a decorative element on walls and floors. So go ahead and experiment. Get painting, get creative, and be expressive. Serenity. In just one step, you can easily get a fresh, clean, modern look, making painting a serene and enjoyable experience. 58 solid colors in a silky or velvety flat finish, inspired by nature's serenity. Enjoy a one-step seamless application with a built-in top coat that creates a smooth, professional-looking finish. Its extremely washable and scratch-resistant formula can be applied on indoor and outdoor household surfaces, such as wood, glass, textiles, and even metals. So find a serene moment and get in touch with your ever-evolving beauty. Reflection. Disconnect from the expected and reconnect with the unexpected. An outstanding metallic finish that reflects your creative self. 12 astonishing metallic colors for a subtle accent or to make a bold statement. Experience a smooth, flowing, metallic paint that gives you a rustic, retro, urban look or a rich, timeless Renaissance look. Its easy-to-use formula adheres perfectly to many surfaces: wood, brick, metal, textured walls, embossed wallpaper, trim, lamps, just to name a few. This is the paint that can reflect your amazing talents and allow your ever-evolving creativity to shine.